Okay, good afternoon everyone. I am teacher Fatin. Okay, so for today's lesson, we are going to continue with division of time. This is a very easy topic because you need to divide just as usual. Okay, but maybe the part that you will be confused is probably this part lah, because it has two units of time. Okay, but later on we will see. Before that, I want to apologize. Teacher nak minta maaf because I couldn't make a Google Meet session because I do not have the proper equipment for online class. So I'm scared that it will turn out like the first time that we did online class, which is really, I wasn't really prepared. Okay, so for this moment we just use videos je lah. Okay, kita tengok video so that you can always repeat the video. Okay, it's more convenient I guess. But it's just the lack of interaction. Okay, I'm really sorry. So yeah, please bear with me. Okay, sabar ya dengan teacher. Okay, hari ni kita sambung je lah topik kita, bahagi masa. Okay, for bahagi masa, textbook is on page textbook is on page 42 until 43 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I'm really sorry. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, division of time. So for division, all you need to know is your multiplication. Okay, multiplication, kita kena tahu sifar kan untuk bahagi. Okay, let's look at the first question. Okay, 36 hours divide by 3. How do we do this? Okay, first of all, you just write the unit first. Okay, hours, and then put here symbol. Okay, and then to make it easier, you just write your multiplication of 3 lah. Okay, 1 times 3, 3, 2 times 3, 6, and then 9, 12, 15, and then what, 18, 21, and so on. Okay, I don't think you need to put a lot here because the number is quite small here, 36 je. Okay, kita tengok. Okay, kita start with the front first, right? Okay, what multiplies with 3? You get 3. Berapa darab 3 dapat 3? 1 lah kan? 1. Okay, 1. We put 1 there and then just do as usual. 3 minus 3 is 0, and then you put down 6. Okay, 6. So look at your multiplication table. Which one you get 6? Here, right? Which is 2 multiply with 3, you get 6. So you put 2, yeah? 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 12 hours. So this is the calculation. Okay, and then let's look at the second question. Second question, easy also. You just put the unit of time first. Tulis dulu unit masa. Okay, and then you do your multiplication table. Multiplication of 5, and then how much? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. I don't think you have to put until 12. Okay, Let's look at the first number. What times by 5 you get 2? You don't have, so you put 0 first. 0. Okay, and then 2 minus 0 is 2, and then you bring down 4, and then look at your multiplication table. Which one is the nearest to 24? Here, right, it's either 25 or 20. So which one do you choose? Okay, we cannot choose 25 because 25 is bigger than 24. So we need to choose 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. You put 4 here and then you put 20. Then minus as usual, 0, and then 4 minus 0, 4. And then you bring down 5. Okay, look at your multiplication table. Which one you get 45? What times 5 you get 45? Berapa darab 5 kamu dapat 45? Okay, right, so how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 5 you get 45. So you put 9. 9 times 5 you get 45. Okay, and then that's the answer. Okay, the answer is 49 minutes. You write 49 minutes. You don't have to put the 0. Okay, let's look at the third question. This one, okay, we see that we have 2 units of time. It is the same as multiplication. If the multiplication have 2 units of time, you need to do it separately. Okay, let's see. Let's do our multiplication of 8 first. 8, 16, and then how much? 3 times 8, 24, 32, and then 40, 48, 56, and then 64, and so on. Okay, alright, let's start with the first one. Okay, let's write the units of time first. Minutes. Okay, let's start with this one. 0, we put 0 here. Okay, I always do step by step so that you won't be confused. Okay, 0, 4, minus 0, 4, and then you bring down 8. Look at your timetable, your multiplication of 8. Do you see 48? Yes, I see 48 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, put 0, 0. Alright. So we are done with hours. Now we will do minutes. Okay, minutes just, okay, you bahagi, you divide as usual. 1, so 0 here. 16. What times with 8 you get 16? 1, 2. 2 times 8 is 16. So we put 2. Then 16. So this is how the calculation will look like. Okay, you get 2 sides. You can see here there are 2 sides. One is hours, one is minutes. So this is the answer. Just write the answer without zeros lah. 6 hours 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the calculation. Okay, do this side first and then this side. Okay, let's look at the last question. Okay, it's the same as this one, but you see the number is quite huge here, 172. Okay, now you just do multiplication of 4. 4, 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 3 times 4, 12, and then 4 times 4, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. Okay, so let's do this. Write the units of time first. Okay, now we look at the first one. 1, 0 minus 0. 0 times 4 is 0. We do by one by one. 1, 7. Okay, 17. Which one is the nearest to 17? 16 and 20. We cannot take 20 because it is bigger than 17. So we take 16. 20 lagi besar daripada 17. So we cannot take it. 17 tolak 20 tak boleh. Okay, kita ambil 16. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16. 4 darab 4 ialah 16. Jadi macam ini. Tolak macam biasa. 1 tolak 1, kosong. 7 minus 6, how much? 1. Okay, and then we put down 2. Okay, now look at the timetable again. Which one you get 12? I see here 12. Okay, nampak kat sini 12 kan? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Ta-da! You got the answer. This is only the first part. Don't forget the second part, which is seconds. Okay, jangan lupa buat bahagian saat pula. Okay, kita do one by one. 5. So, what times 4 you get 5? Which is the nearest one? Mana satu yang paling dekat dengan 5? This one, right? 4. Satu lah. 1 times 4, 4. Okay, so 5 minus 4 is 1. So you get 16. Okay, then 16. What times 4 you get 16? Berapa darab 4 dapat 16? Sini kan? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Yeah, so that's all. It's easy. Okay, it's easy if you do bentuk lazim. Kalau bahagi, buat bentuk lazim macam ni. Okay, if there is one unit, so there is one side only. Okay, ada sebelah saja. Kalau satu unit kan, hours dengan minutes. Sebelah saja. Kalau ada 2 units, if there are 2 units, it will become like this. It has 2 sides. You can see 1, 2. 2 side, hours and minutes. Okay, this one, the answer is 43 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, so it's like that, easy. Okay, division of time. Okay, and then after you have finished division of time, I want you to see your textbook, page 44. And then, okay, for this activity, latihan, page 103, you have to refer to your textbook, page 44. Actually, they already put here 44. Okay, 44. Tengok muka surat 44, and then you have to create your own stories according to this mathematical equation. Ayat matematik ini, kamu kena reka cerita. Okay, in your textbook, there are already some examples, so you just you just write according to this one lah, the ayat matematik. This one is times, this one is this is multiplication, this is division. Okay, in the textbook it has examples, so you just refer there. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.